For me, it's very important, the term of sustainability, to have these discarded materials, like this is, the consumerism here is like, huge. So I love to use like everyday items, everyday life items, placemats, hats, and then you take it off their original function, and then it becomes something else. And for me, it's very important to play with the materials. It's like, play with them and let them take me to whatever they want to be. I always say that it's like the piece already exists. It's only trying to be shown. So I'm super happy to be showcasing my work here at Rich and Riot's Penthouse. I hope you all enjoy it.